Oh, it's awesome. The energy in the room is awesome. It's great to see so many youngsters. All of you, this entire generation is at an amazing cusp. There are amazing amount of opportunities for everybody. And I think if you apply yourself and if you kind of keep on focusing on learning as you've done for the last several years, you'll go places in life. So wish you all the very best with whatever you're doing. Thank you.
At Zell, we've always ensured that the focus has always been the customer experience. The customer comes from different walks of lives, and we need to ensure that they can pass in every sort of way. They enjoy what they learn with us. We take the onus very seriously to ensure that they get placed in the right manner, they get the right education, they get the right professor, they get the right support, and now the right kind of job. So we're very excited to celebrate the guys who've won awards, however, can get the right kind of support for the years to come.
The most important thing is find what makes you happy. Pursue your thought processes along those lines, but be disciplined about it. Be focused, be at it, and you'll get there. I don't think the opportunities out there are tremendous, they're huge. You really have to be passionate about what you're doing. But the fundamental finance and accounting as a profession remains, will not go away. As long as, in the next 2 decades, I don't see any massive changes. Technology will keep changing, the profession will continue to be relevant and in demand.
I feel excited and great. I've been a part of this Zell journey since a long time, and this helps us to get together and talk to students about how the future is in terms of both developing skills and getting the right kind of people around you so that you can move forward in your career. But just general advice is that, make some discipline part of your day-to-day routine, and don't give up easily. That's the easy advice that I want to give for now.
Thank you so much for this incredible honor. And what I always keep on saying is the fact that there's nothing that makes me as happy and as satisfied as being in a live class, teaching students, discussing with them. I have taught around 2,500 students in 32 batches because there's nothing that gives me as much happiness. I've worked with Zell for 3.5 years. This career was not planned, and I want to thank Zell, Anand and Pratham for this incredible journey that they have put me on. Thank you so much.
One thing which sets apart Zell from, I would say, rest of the peers is probably how good the faculty is, how interactive and how ready, approachable the faculty is.
The real life experiences and examples and case studies and the 24/7 support has got me through this ACCA journey seamlessly. And my journey at Zell has been very exciting and very knowledgeable experience. I'm very fond of Satyamit sir and my mentors Nicole and Purandari. They have helped me a lot in pursuing my qualification, and I look forward to placement opportunities with Zell Education. Thank you.
I've really enjoyed my journey, and they've made it really easy and fun to learn with them, and they've concentrated more on understanding the topics than mugging it up, and I think so that's what's really worked in my favor. And I mean,